lapse because this is going to be time lapse. Ta-da! I won. तू बहुत धीरे बात करती है मैडम, जोर से चिल्ला.
हाँ तो फिर ठीक है ना, we are doing the best friend tag and we are going to ask each other some questions because these people are so much.
See again, you said whispering.
She's so
very
small
They
compared to
love
both
me
of us.
so
She occupies this much space.
I feel more than मैं.
क्या हुआ?
I'm smaller than.
Starting with
Intro,
This is
that is
Saffron
different.
Cast. These are my boys. These are my bitches.
you're gonna let her do this on your YouTube channel.
No, you can continue eating.
Acha. Hi guys, this is Saffron Cast and we are.
Yeah, कर लो. अरे भाई.
Hey guys, this is Saffron Cast.
That's not sass, that's enthusiastic.
Okay. Anywho, we are losing patience here, so we are moving ahead. Today we are doing a question and answer session with Feats, Adi Satyajit, and Kya Film Juice in our own channel.
Hi, Mom.
Arya. Yes. So we are doing it right now. Okay. So
Okay.
although it is her channel right now, I'm going to use some parts of it. So I'm going to ask the questions.
You are doing the question part two.
Yeah. Okay. If you could be any object, what would you be?
That's a makeup question. Why can't you ask that? Oh, it's a song.
It was a soundtrack question which Madam let us make up. So, if you could be any object, what would you want to be?
It's your channel, you answer first.
I need to
Same. That's why I told you to go first.
I'm asking questions, I go last.
If I was an object.
Yeah.
A few moments later.
I'd be a breast pump.
You think that?
I'm thinking all sorts of stuff.
He wants babies really fast to come up to him.
How many babies do you want?
3.
See, nobody wants to stand so many elections in this. What the hell?
You want to only one.
Yeah, election में रहने के लिए 2 ही allowed है.
See, I want one son, one daughter, one can be
So you can ask him to be.
What?
Yeah.
So, इसकी बचपन से
I
परवरिश
will raise
कैसे
him
हुई?
like that. I will raise him like that.
He know you are getting only colored ice cream.
Would people be offended if I put this on?
Your job and I don't.
We have to start again because none of this.
We have just a disclaimer. No vulgarity.
Okay.
First question is, if you could have one superpower, what would it be? It's a very cliche question, but let's start with that.
The power of invisibility and then go stand in people's room.
I would fly. No cabs and all ever again. Good.
Cabs? Oh, cabs!
Yeah,
I
I
would
cabs.
fly.
Mine is going to be.
I can sit on top of you and then club.
I think
I expect
invisible.
this.
I think walking through walls and invisible.
Why
You
would you
can't
walk into
get
wall?
two.
Yeah, because I don't
You
want
can
to
only
get.
have one.
I don't want
Don't be greedy.
What would you do by walking?
No, then
walls?
invisibility. Because then I can like walk wherever I want, do whatever I
same.
want.
I said the same.
Okay, so
I feel
if you had to change your name, what would you change it to?
Yeah, I will not change my name.
इतना
Zebulon.
लंबा नाम है, कुछ छोटा सोच.
Zebulon.
Castling क्यों से ना?
You know what?
Zebulon. For sure.
You know what I would do? I would first name a YouTube channel and then based on that I would change my own name. If I had to change my
Example.
name. I don't know. I mean,
You would name a YouTube channel.
yeah, and then based on that I would name me.
Okay.
Because other way around तो हो नहीं रहा मेरे से. सोहम से मेरे को नाम तो कोई मिल नहीं रहा. I'm going to edit this out. This became too much of a mindfuck. Let's go ahead.
Oh, you used the F word.
No vulgarity.
Okay, what's the craziest thing on your bucket list?
It's unspeakable.
Okay.
Let's see.
Come in the camera.
Yeah, you're out of
I'm
the camera.
thinking. Couldn't be good. I didn't move it. Okay. Oh, y'all, what did you?
One eternity later.
Okay, it's not even possible, I think. I want to walk like this on Burj Khalifa.
That's not. You can't be.
I know. It's not possible, but it's an idea. Like, you know, like if this is Burj Khalifa, I want to walk like that.
इसकी वो राइड में फट गई थी.
What word?
Oh, yeah.
Magic Mountain.
Yeah, Magic Mountain.
You pray.
I was yelling at the top of the no. I'm scared
I
of some
forgot
rides.
about
Okay.
that.
Oh my god.
That was so
those
fun.
days.
What's your favorite? Oh, did you answer? No, you didn't
I'm
answer.
thinking. I can't think of
Yeah.
anything else.
Personal.
I think I would like shave while skydiving. It'd be cool.
पागल है क्या?
अरे बहुत मजा आएगा.
Bucket list पूछा.
हाँ तो skydiving I can shave while skydiving. That's still realistic. How can you walk up the Burj Khalifa like that?
I
वो thread रंग.
Okay. What's a secret even I don't know?
I think nothing new happened in these 9 months. Was it?
That is sad.
9 months में you could have made a baby.
She said that to me yesterday also. I was just wondering who's. She's capable of doing that, though. I mean,
खुद से.
Kathleen, dude. Your sass is right to.
Can we answer the question?
Yes.
Yeah,
What's
no.
the question? Oh God.
I think let's just move on to the next one.
Is your stomach
oh,
also?
what's the craziest thing you've ever done?
We buried a housefly.
Oh yeah, we get a
Yeah.
funeral for it. We get a funeral for it.
So you know that we are very big humanitarians when we want to be. It's an option. ये लोग non-veg खाते हैं, but ये लोग humanitarian भी हैं. Okay. So
It was the foundation of our friendship.
Oh yeah.
yeah. Okay, there you go. The next question was, do you remember how we met? And we remember how we met.
I
We buried a
hated this
housefly.
guy. I was like
We burnt
after
house,
seeing
right?
him.
What
No,
did
no,
we
we
Oh,
buried it.
he's the eye candy of my channel.
And I just fucked that up by doing this.
What's your favorite thing to do alone?
That's not a question we should answer.
Oh yeah. Yeah, no, okay. Okay. Do you? Okay, I think this is very Kathleen specific. So, do you prefer sneakers or heels? So, I prefer heels to be honest.
Sneakers.
Okay. What's your favorite song right now?
Circles by Post Malone.
Oh, circles is nice, but no.
I couldn't think of it. The first thing that came to me was that.
Blinding Lights. Alexa.
No, I don't know.
Alexa.
What
Okay.
song do I like? I don't know. I like all the. We are real as all my 500 place.
You didn't answer the question.
I don't remember. Rap. Cardi B.
Really? You hear that all the time. That's your favorite.
Want to
catchy,
see
dude.
some?
Okay. Oh. Okay. Who would you trade places with for one day?
My dog, Junior, for sure.
You could be Narendra Modi, but you will be Junior.
Junior.
Okay. You. Junior is his dog. by
This
the
is
way.
not a rightist channel. This is in the middle. Centrist channel.
What
I
about you?
don't
Who do
know.
you trade places with? You say Narendra Modi.
No, I won't replace.
A rat probably to annoy the hell out of
Wait,
someone.
who?
Rat. I would kill you.
Yeah.
You'll be too scared to kill me.
Oh yeah, that is true. I would trade places with. I have no idea.
You're going to say someone from Mahabharata or something. No?
You could.
You'll have to cut that out.
What would you?
Please, cut that out.
I try.
She'll highlight it, dude. I'm not even joking.
Okay.
Lord,
How do you prefer to be comforted when you're upset?
dead there.
Motichur for life.
That's motichur ice cream. Please cover because we've not been sponsored here by anyone.
Oh,
If you want to, you can email her.
Email her. इधर सब इधर इच पैसा मांगता है.
Subtle promo.
बाद में outro में मैं बात करूँ. ठीक है.
Out to the people should reach also.
Okay, always.
20% of my viewers reached.
And now that I'm there, no, they'll watch
90%
it.
reached.
Don't worry.
My first vlog, yeah.
Now that I'm
My
there,
vlog
they'll
was
watch it.
very nice. Okay. I don't know. Okay. If you could change one thing from the past, what would it be? I know you want to change nothing because
हाँ.
तो 3 बार वही बोल चुके हैं.
How can you change anything? Kathleen को मिला वो. क्या बदलेगा?
I don't know actually. This is I don't
Okay.
Now don't say I want to stay in Bangalore only, Mumbai South. Oh, he's
Something like that, yeah, that'd be cool.
Mumbai doesn't suck. Where are
Mumbai is
Mumbai cars?
amazing.
Mumbai cars. आओ इसको मारो ये NRI में रहता है.
You are contradicting yourself. I didn't say that. Mumbai sucks. No, it doesn't suck.
No, it doesn't. Okay. What's one conspiracy theory you actually believe?
COVID is not actually COVID.
You believe that?
Yeah. There've been so
Like,
many
the
theories.
scientists have just released a virus to see how humans would react.
It can't be the same thing. You have to say
Haan,
something.
so I'm just saying. I'm just
Yes.
I don't know.
Pyramids were built by the aliens.
You believe it?
I watched a lot of what was that alien something show on History Channel.
The conspiracies only. It was called conspiracies.
It was aliens and something. So it was like everything related to it, like a chair with aliens. So like humans with aliens, like gods with aliens,
What if
curtains with aliens.
giants are controlling us? We are just their toys.
That's just Hindu mythology in one line.
Huh?
Okay. If you had to fight for one global cause, what?
And you studied so much.
Can we not do those?
Okay. What? Okay, that is also. I think we are done with this website.
No, can you do more questions? We only have 8 minutes yet. And इसमें से आधा boring हो सकता है शायद.
Okay, next question. Can you describe your bedroom?
My bedroom is small. I'm waiting for my brother to move out and go to IIT Bombay. See, this is like thinking good for him, like IIT Bombay, but also wanting to.
Also, the fact that she's not progressing herself.
I want a white bathroom.
Next question. What are some of your favorite expressions to give?
Do we have to meet?
Yeah. What do you think you cook or bake the best?
Anda burji. My anda burji is the best.
My Italian food overall is the best.
Well, we make veg lasagna. That's a crime. I mean, that's like it's an
I
insult
don't
to
eat
Italian
chicken.
food.
अभी क्या खाया ऐसा जबरदस्ती
So how can you make Italian food without putting pepperoni and all?
He
that?
eats chicken, but he does not eat chicken. It's not like he's zabardasti look
See,
like.
he ate pork from my tiffin once, and after
pizza
that,
कैसे लेंगे?
तो एक veg and non-veg कर देंगे.
Yes.
इसको बड़ा पिज्जा मिलेगा.
Thank
ऐसे
you.
थोड़ी होता है.
हम लोग भी see the thing is non-veg people can eat veg. Veg people can't eat non-veg now.
But you're not exactly veg, no?
Exactly. One day he ate pork from my
It
tiffin.
has
After that, I
been
don't know what
it has
happened.
been 7 or 8 months since I have had non-veg. Abhi I'm not eating it. Okay. What embarrasses you the most in front of other people? I think you didn't hear that properly. What embarrasses you the most in front of other people?
See, there was one time I fell in front of the whole ground into the ground. I mean, into the
Oh!
wet mud. I went to kick the ball and I
Oh,
just
I
slipped.
remember.
And yeah, I was covered in mud, head to toe.
Not head to toe. It was only one part which
I
was covered
saw
in mud.
it, okay, I saw it. He went to kick the ball and he couldn't kick the ball on the defense.
And the worst part is the uniform's white. I had to wear some kid's uniform for the rest of the day. My
You
size was like
were
42.
ये तू ही तो पहनता था white. तुझे
हाँ।
सीधा सीधा बोलते थे तू ही नहीं पहन के आता था.
2 साल में, पहले बार तो यहाँ से feel guilty by wearing, but after they gave me same council post, I'm like, I used to wear it with pride, you know, I'm not even joking.
Beat that out. Podcast doesn't want to sue you. Okay.
Think, what was this?
What is the item? What is the most
What is
expired? Arey, shut up, Yaman. Let me frame
What
it.
is the item so
I am-
like?
What is the
I-
most item?
I'm changing the question now, thoda sa. What question?
Ask your good
What
modification.
Which is the most expired item that you've ever eaten?
Expired. अच्छा
Yeah.
expiry होने के बाद.
Wow.
I don't know.
No?
I think it
Oh,
was
that,
a,
I used dahi like.
it wasn't
tea, the
expired, but it was I think a 7-day-old samosa.
I
went
can
out-
very proudly say I've never eaten anything expired.
So weird thing is it was left out for 7 days and the samosa kind of tasted like a waterfall. It was out for so long. It was purple, but I was hungry.
You ate a.
Purple samosa.
Yeah, it felt really good after that for some reason. It was weird aftertaste.
How was your poop next?
It was in the fridge, and that's something I don't want to tell everyone.
What's under your bed? Not this one. इसके अंदर कुछ नहीं है. एकदम सा filled with wood. What is under
Oh,
your
there's
bed?
a Victoria's Secret ka bag. I shot the Victoria's Secret on the past time.
Adi.
I'll show that the next time.
See, my bed, there's no place under it. Okay, so there's a lot of stuff that I've lost behind the bed, which is under the bed now. And the day it gets flipped over, I'm gonna find stuff and we feel really nostalgic and all about it.
If you peekaboo here, like in that-
Peekaboo नहीं होता peekaboo.
You stupid.
So if you look there, there's like a stake. There are 2-3 pens. There'll be 4 or 5 caps. So I can't clean that up because हाथ पहुंचता नहीं है ये बेड बहुत भारी.
वो मेरा spoon भी गिरा था. We watching उड़ता पंजाब that day ना. चिवड़ा करा तो मैं spoon
Oh, you
fell
guys
down.
watched Truth.
At 4:30 in the morning.
Yeah.
Ow!
नहीं लगा मेरे को बिल्कुल भी. मैं करूँ अभी?
नहीं.
If you were a cake, which cake would you be? If you were a cake, which cake would you be?
Are you trying to like seduce the camera?
No, when I realized that I spoke very softly and it didn't catch, so I said it.
Yeah, I know. You looked at the camera with style after that. You had fucking confidence and attitude. You said.
If you were a cake, which cake would you be? Red velvet. I don't even have to think about it.
Black Forest.
I don't like anything.
We have to mute.
क्या बात कर रही है?
I don't like chocolate cakes.
तू pineapple बोल दे.
Pineapple अजीब, वो ठीक है, मतलब cream हो ज़्यादा है.
Vanilla.
Cream हो ज़्यादा है.
Sponge cake.
Cupcake.
उसमें तो cream ही नहीं होता है.
Cupcake.
What is the most important material possession you have in
My
life?
God.
What is the most important material possession you have in life?
India wants to know.
Possession.
इतना दूर से बोलेगा अदनान
What
गोस्वामी
is
को
the
क्या
most?
आंसर है?
अरे इसने तो सुना है नहीं I should yell like twice. What is the most important material possession
Like
you have?
valuable, no?
Yeah.
My cards. I have like 30 packs.
Oh, yeah.
My makeup.
Material possession.
It's your.
वो गिर गया ना उसका eyelash और 40 मिनट इधर ही जाएगा. I think my most important material possession.
Yeah.
My laptop. Because I would be so like handicapped without it now.
Me, it's not my laptop. My iPad भी काम चला रहे so I won't.
You bought a new one, no? Recently.
But I look here, I have a bite of my movie. I just forget it's there.
वो melt हो गया पूरा.
Okay. Is there something you wish you had said sorry for but never did?
For being born, I guess.
For hitting Adi. I had a whole heart.
Yeah.
What is the textbook no once?
Textbook
I
में
slapped
had
you.
to slap.
I slapped you.
You
I
slapped.
also
He
hit
felt
you.
so guilty. Remember that? What did you hit me with?
No, I also hit
Yeah,
you.
project I think.
I don't know. गलती से मैंने मारा था लेकिन तुझे.
क्या कैसे मारा था? I forgot.
Ah,
I
she
know
was
you hit me.
she was leaving the class and then your book was in front and then while leaving as a joke she took the book and smacked you with it
Oh, yeah.
and then realized oh shit that wasn't a joke, that was a smack, and then she was like sorry. Okay, so that concludes the question answer session. We're done. 20 minutes. F you, we are not going ahead with this anymore. We have okay, so this was fun and
This
Adi
is
is
Cass signing
yes,
out.
okay. Adi is not in the camera, so the next time he's not, please slap him from my side.
I'm just saying the name I gave her. Okay, I gave her the name. Sasha Cass.
Oh, yeah,
Adi
he's
gave
on.
her the name.
Yeah.
So yeah, now she said Sasha Cass, but who cares? I'm going to put some questions in my
I'm
blog.
pretty
Anyway,
sure the name is better than this video. So.
it will be, my editing skills are better. So let's do that, and then thank you so much for watching her channel.